Here it is out in the sun for you. Let's just stand here, look at it. Isn't that one good looking car? The paint on this thing, oh my god. You gotta see this car in person. So GM uses like an AI generated background when they put it on the dealership websites. Does not do this car any justice at all. You gotta see it in person. I went to look at it twice, fell in love with it. So if you're interested in the red mist, I definitely say go look at it at your local dealership if they have one in stock, and you'll see. Like, the camera's not gonna do this car any justice at all, but I think that the paint, beautiful. So I did get the car PPF. I started with the front, and then the shininess of the PPF made this look not as shiny, so I ended up getting the rest of the car done except the rear bumper and then the top part here. I didn't think I needed it, but for the most part the whole car, 90% of the car is done. This thing has the carbon fiber top. It's not a convertible, it's the coupe. This piece comes off. Not a big fan of carbon fiber, but it came with the car. I didn't inspect the car out. I just found the closest thing that I wanted in a Corvette, and this was it. So it does have the carbon fiber top. For the most part, red, black wheels. Man, you Corvette guys are really hard on the black wheels. I guess that phase is over, and everybody's like, you need silver, you need chrome. I get it, but I found one with black wheels, and I like it. I think the black wheels do this car some justice. Am I changing the wheels? Absolutely not. Why? They look good. What a freaking, those are nice tires too. Only thing, chrome exhaust tips. So when they spec this car out, they went with red and black, and then chrome exhaust tips. So why they did those in chrome, but they could have went black, carbon fiber look to match the top, but they didn't. They also did red calipers for this one, which I think look good on the car. Two different reds, but I like it. And then the interior, it's just black interior. That's it, nothing crazy. 2LZ, so I didn't get the real fancy one with the Alcantara because I'm not a Fonzuman. I like the way the 2LZ went, had enough for what I wanted. Little plastic, a little good materials, and I'm happy with that. The stitching is white and black. Look, could they have done red? Maybe, you know, would have brought out the car a little bit more. Yes, I got the all-weather floor mats for it, and then the GT2 bucket seats has a low carbon fiber there, which I don't really care for, but it was there, so I think it looks good. At some point maybe I'll change up some of the silver to like that black chrome. I don't know, maybe put some carbon fiber pieces here. I don't know, but for now I'm just gonna enjoy it just the way it is. Tap it twice, things pops open, has that self-close feature. This is what the engine looks like in here. You got some red, black cover, mag ride. You got the liner for the trunk here, which is nice to have, you know. You want to put groceries and stuff in there. This is the company. I did Autobahn, not Expel. I did Autobahn Road Guard paint protection film. This is the company that I used. Actually, this is the company that did the stuff for me. Reflection Auto Detailing here in Camden, Delaware, Kent County. Looked them up. Dude is really good. He actually gave me some merch, gave me a sweater too. So Reflections Auto Detailing. So look them up. They're in Camden, Delaware, not New Jersey. Camden, Delaware. If you need PPF done, tints and stuff like that, give them a call. Dude there is really cool. His name's John. All right, so up here, I don't know what all this stuff is, but this is the battery tender. So for the winter, I got a battery tender. Plug this thing in. I plan to use the car in the winter too, but you know, sometimes it'll sit for a month or two. And then I don't know what this is. What is this? I don't know. If anybody knows down in the comments what these things are, let me know. It looks like some type of airflow type thing, intake or exhaust. I don't know. Probably for the wheels, the brakes, maybe. Like those brake ducts things, maybe that. What else? Oh, look, in case I'm taking the kids to the pool, we got some noodles. Nah, I don't know what this is for either. I see something with the wheels. This might have been on the wheels, maybe. I don't know. But they left it there. A net. I guess this goes here, or maybe for the trunk to put the net there. What is this? I have no idea what this is. Made in Mexico, I know that. genuine parts. I guess it's maybe another nut or carrying something. And this is in case I run out of gas for the gas can. And that must have been something. Anyway, you got those stuff there. I don't know what all that stuff is. At some point I will figure it out. And that's it. This thing, you drop it, it's supposed to close. There you go. Close by itself. I think this has folding mirrors. I want to figure out that setting. Reason I like the 2LZ is because it brought the signal light on the side mirror. There were just certain things about the 2LZ that I wanted that the 1LZ didn't give. But if I was just going to be tracking this car, I could get a better deal on a 1LZ for sure. So if you're looking for a car, maybe look for the 1LZ. Save yourself, you know, another 10 grand. Just leave it right here for now. Park. Also had the windows tinted, 35% there, and then 70% in the front, but it's only for like the heat resistance thing. Sometimes, you know, if you go out, you leave it outside park, it gets really hot in there. It's got a black interior. I figured that would work. Well, that's it. That's the car. I hope you like it, man. Let me know down in the comments what you think of it. If you like it, if you own a Corvette, if you've done anything special to your Corvette. I don't know, if you're thinking about buying a Corvette, anything, just leave it down in the comments.